Hey everybody, sometimes you have to put people in their place. Sometimes there are people who think that their prestige or their name is better than you, and you have to teach them that you're just as good as they are.
Out of singing, wait. Yeah. And when you are, for instance, when we were here before, you know what? I mean, all the things ever printed in the tabloid, the only thing's ever been true is when they said I couldn't dance. When we were here the last time shooting the commercial, you were like in between shots, running off, conceiving the dance, choreographing the dance. You were up all night dancing.
Every day, and she didn't leave.